Hey guys! In today's video, we'll be looking at 5 best motherboard that will totally amaze you. Don't skip it, watch all the way to the end. So let's get started. Number 5. ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2. Color: black. Weight: 1000 G, 2.2 pounds. Category: ATX Gaming Motherboard. If you're putting together an AMD AM4 gaming PC, the ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 is one of those motherboards that's easy to keep coming back to. It offers a solid mix of modern features without making the setup feel overly complicated. One of the first things that stands out is the built-in Wi-Fi 6E and 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, so you have fast networking options whether you prefer wireless or a wired connection. It also supports PCIe 4.0 for compatible Ryzen processors, which is great if you're pairing it with a newer graphics card or a high-speed NVMe SSD. The board feels well built, and ASUS includes a strong power design that helps support Ryzen 3000 and 5000 series processors. BIOS flashback is another feature I always appreciate because updating the BIOS can be much easier, especially when upgrading hardware. The UEFI BIOS is also beginner-friendly, while still giving experienced users plenty of tuning options. On the downside, this is still a DDR4 platform, so it doesn't support DDR5 memory. Also, if you're planning to move to AMD's latest AM5 processors, this board won't be compatible, since it's designed specifically for the AM4 socket. Overall, the ASUS ROG Strix B550F Gaming Wi-Fi 2 feels like a dependable motherboard for gamers and PC builders who want reliable performance, strong connectivity, and a feature set that still holds up really well for an AM4 system. Number 4. GIGABYTE B550MK. Color: black. Weight: 760 G, 1.68 pounds. Category: Micro ATX Gaming Motherboard. If you're building a budget-friendly AMD gaming PC, the GIGABYTE B550MK is a motherboard that's definitely worth considering. It focuses on the essentials while still offering features that make it a practical choice for everyday gaming and productivity. This board supports AMD Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors on the AM4 platform, so there's plenty of flexibility if you're upgrading an older system or starting a new build. One feature I like is the inclusion of PCIe 4.0 support for the main graphics card slot and one M.2 SSD slot, which lets you take advantage of faster storage and modern GPUs. The Micro ATX layout is compact without feeling too restrictive. You still get 4 DDR4 memory slots, allowing for future RAM upgrades instead of filling every slot on day one. The onboard heatsink also helps keep the chipset running comfortably during long gaming sessions, and GIGABYTE's QFlash feature makes BIOS updates much easier without adding unnecessary hassle. That said, this motherboard is designed more for mainstream builds than high-end overclocking. The power delivery is adequate for supported Ryzen processors, but enthusiasts looking for premium VRMs or extra expansion options may want to step up to a higher-tier model. Overall, the GIGABYTE B550MK delivers a solid balance of performance, upgrade potential, and value. If you're putting together a reliable AM4 gaming or everyday desktop, it looks like a smart and dependable choice. Number 3. GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6. Color: black. Weight: 1250 G, 2.76 pounds. Category: ATX Gaming Motherboard. For anyone planning an AM4 gaming build, the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 offers a nice balance of performance, connectivity, and room for future upgrades. It doesn't try to be the most premium motherboard on the market, but it includes many of the features that matter for a modern PC. Right away, the built-in Wi-Fi 6 is a welcome addition if running an Ethernet cable isn't convenient. You also get PCIe 4.0 support for compatible Ryzen processors, making it easy to pair the board with a fast graphics card and high-speed NVMe storage. Having two M.2 slots is another practical benefit, especially if you expect to expand your storage later. The board uses a 10+ 3-phase digital VRM design along with enlarged heatsinks, helping maintain stable power delivery during gaming and demanding workloads. I also like the pre-installed I/O shield because it's one less thing to worry about during assembly. Small touches like PCIe Easy Latch make installing or removing a graphics card a little more convenient as well. Of course, this is still an AM4 motherboard with DDR4 memory support, so it isn't designed for AMD's newer AM5 platform or DDR5 upgrades. Users chasing the latest generation hardware will need to look elsewhere. Overall, the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle Wi-Fi 6 is a well-rounded motherboard that combines reliable performance, useful connectivity, and thoughtful builder-friendly features. If you're putting together a Ryzen 3000, 4000, or 5000 series system, it looks like a dependable option that should serve you well for years. Number 2. GIGABYTE B550 Gaming XV2. Color: black. Weight: 1.48 kilograms, 3.26 pounds. Category: ATX Gaming Motherboard. The GIGABYTE B550 Gaming XV2 is the kind of motherboard that focuses on giving AMD builders the features they actually need without adding unnecessary extras. If you're planning a Ryzen-based gaming PC, it offers a solid foundation that's easy to work with. It supports Ryzen 3000, 4000, and 5000 series processors on the AM4 platform, making it a good fit for both new builds and upgrades. One of the highlights is PCIe 4.0 support for compatible CPUs, allowing you to take advantage of faster graphics cards and NVMe SSDs. The two M.2 slots also make storage expansion simple, so you're not limited as your game library grows. The 10+ 3-phase digital power design and sizable VRM heatsinks help provide stable performance during long gaming sessions or heavier workloads. I also appreciate features like QFlash Plus, which lets you update the BIOS without installing a CPU, memory, or graphics card. That's especially useful if you're preparing the board for a newer Ryzen processor. The refreshed BIOS interface is straightforward, making system setup less intimidating for first-time builders. One thing to keep in mind is that this board doesn't include built-in Wi-Fi, so you'll need a wired connection or a separate wireless adapter if Wi-Fi is important to you. It's also limited to DDR4 memory, as expected for the AM4 platform. Overall, the GIGABYTE B550 Gaming XV2 delivers dependable performance, practical connectivity, and builder-friendly features. If you're looking for a reliable ATX motherboard for a Ryzen gaming system, this is a well-balanced option that's easy to recommend. Number 1. ASUS TUF Gaming B550 Plus Wi-Fi 2. Color: black. Weight: 1.3 pounds. 0.59 kilograms. Category: ATX Gaming Motherboard. If reliability is high on your priority list, the ASUS TUF Gaming B550 Plus Wi-Fi 2 is a motherboard that's easy to appreciate. It combines solid performance with practical features, making it a great fit for anyone building or upgrading an AM4 gaming PC. The board supports AMD Ryzen 3000 5000 series processors on the B550 platform, and PCIe 4.0 support means you're ready for fast graphics cards and high-speed NVMe storage. I also like that it includes built-in Wi-Fi 6 along with 2.5 gigabit Ethernet, so whether you game wirelessly or prefer a wired setup, you've got fast networking options right out of the box. ASUS has equipped this board with an 8+2 DRMOS power design, and the cooling setup does a nice job of keeping temperatures under control during extended gaming sessions. Features like BIOS flashback are especially helpful if you're updating the BIOS before installing a processor, and the UEFI interface is straightforward enough for beginners while still offering plenty of advanced settings. On the connectivity side, you get dual M.2 slots, USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C, HDMI 2.1, and plenty of USB ports for peripherals. RGB enthusiasts will also appreciate Aura Sync support for customizing the look of their build. The main limitation is that it's built for the AM4 platform and uses DDR4 memory, so it isn't compatible with AMD's newer AM5 processors or DDR5 RAM. Overall, the ASUS TUF Gaming B550 Plus Wi-Fi 2 feels like a dependable feature-rich motherboard that offers an excellent balance of stability, connectivity, and everyday performance for a Ryzen-based gaming system.